Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. With me Mahadir in corelDRAW tutorial. Okay, today I'm gonna show you how to make a simple logo, especially for Fox News TV logo. Okay, first of all, click the rectangle tool. Okay, hold it and drag it, and while press the Control button like this. Okay, and after that, we're gonna make a line. Click pen tool. Click over here, over here, over here, and over here. Oh, sorry. Okay, I'm gonna double click and I want to move it while I press the shift button and click over here. Move it. Okay, I wanna just wanna move it in order to get the good position. Okay, after that, I click this. I press the Control and Control D button, and we copy the object. Okay, click this. And I put it here. So yes, put it in here. After that, double click. So, click the vertex, both of them. While press the shift button, move it over here. Okay. Click the pick tool. Click this first and then the rectangle. Next to object, select and click the trim button. Trim tools. Delete this. Okay. Click this again and click the rectangle. Click the trim button. Trim tool. Okay. Like this, we got the squares like this. Oh, sorry. Put it over here. Oh, you may move it. Sorry. Okay. Control Z. Flip over here, and now you get a good-looking square. Okay, like this. Now we are gonna type. Click the text tool. Write Fox. You may choose Arial break font. Okay. Wanna write news. Choose the Arial break font again. Put it over here. Aha. Okay, we almost done. I'm gonna make it bigger. Down. Okay. No, I want to make it higher. I'm sorry. Alright. Now I'm clear. Bigger. Fox News. Okay. Fox News. It's one of the TV news channel. Okay, like this, like that. Click rectangle tool. Okay, to the big tool, move it over here, and now Alright, now we are gonna click channel, type channel, this, oh, not too big, yes, okay, we almost done. Select the rectangle and just blue font, blue color, and click the text. When press the shift button, click the white color, and I give it 1.5 point. We got a black outline. We're gonna change it. Double click over here, change the color and change it blue. Okay, we get the same outline in blue. Okay, click this, select this, lose the outline. Okay, there's no border over here. Okay, we're gonna click this, give it a red. No outline. Okay, there's no border. The text, change it into the white color. Okay, we have done Fox News channel TV logo. It is so simple, you may try it at home. Okay, don't forget to subscribe this channel for in order you can get notification for our new tutorial, and don't forget to comment, like, and of course share it into your friends. You may request for tutorial. Okay, with me Mahathir. See you in the next tutorial.